Hello and welcome to another episode of my Mom and I TV. It's such an exciting day. We went out today. As you can see, there are lots and lots of beautiful views for you to enjoy yourself with. I have the fountain, I have the waterfall, a whole lot. Just sit back, watch and enjoy yourself. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for hanging out with me. If it's the first time coming around, thank you. Enjoy yourself, enjoy the videos, enjoy the views. It's a beautiful summer afternoon. There is more to life than just being born. Who am I? Why am I on earth? And what am I here for? These are questions I ask myself sometimes, and I know a lot of us also do this. It comes from a place or a feeling of not doing enough. We all have potentials, something in us to give. We are not just born into life for procreation and dying. It's not the main reason we are here. I believe we all have something in us that another person needs. When you discover your purpose, the reason you are here, what you are here for, things will align. We are uniquely created. We are made differently with different purpose to fulfill here. Know that you cannot be another person. When you begin to identify your why, live to fulfill it, your life begins to take a shift from a place of ego. At this point, you feel you need to make impact and give to someone else. At this point, you discover what you like doing, and eventually it becomes passion and aligns with your purpose, and everything will fall in place for good. I'm still learning and discovering myself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.